In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use TikTok and Clickbank to start making money online without showing your face. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome to my channel. If you guys are brand new here and you want to learn different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. And if you guys want to know my personal recommendation when it comes to starting your own online business, then check out the link in the top of the description. But with that being said, let me just get right into it and show you the method that I'm talking about. So let me just switch over to my screen right here, and let me bring myself down a little bit so I'm not blocking too much of the there we go. Okay, so this website is clickbank.com, and basically a lot of people know about this website. If you don't know what clickbank.com is, it's basically a website for affiliates to find products to promote. So this is basically like the go-to websites for affiliate marketers. If you don't have an account, all you have to do is just click sign up. You create an account, you fill out your information, and then you can start promoting products as an affiliate. Okay, so we got that covered. Okay, so now let's look at the marketplace right here. So I'm already logged into my account, and I'm going to show you two different products right here. So one of them is called brain training for dogs. So if you don't know what these numbers mean, basically the average dollar per conversion is going to be how much you're going to be earning every time somebody buys that product through your affiliate link. So $31.51. Gravity, if you want to find the best selling products, all you have to do is just click right here and filter out by gravity. So this one is showing you from high to low. So brain training for dogs is the best selling product when it comes to this type of I guess I know there's other categories, but anyways, brain training for dogs. So we click on it, and this is the sales page. So people see the sales page, they're given the offer to buy the product. Bam, instant access. Okay, so they buy the product through your link, you earn the commission for the sale. Okay, so we got that covered. So let's go over to TikTok right here. And basically, okay, this is TikTok, and I'm gonna show you two different accounts. So the first one is a account called Dogs Training, I believe. Dogs Training. Okay, so it's gonna be this account right here. So as you can see, they have a profile picture of a dog. It's not somebody showing their face. And all they have is just videos where they found from the internet. They're not showing their face at all. They're just uploading videos from random videos from the internet of different dogs. And they don't have that many videos. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They have about 21 videos. They have 54,000 followers. Now, in the bio right here, it says best dog training system. To train your dog, click this link. So if we click this link, where do you think that's going to take you? Okay, open anyways. It's going to take you to the sales page of this Clickbank offer, brain training for dogs. Now, I mean, I don't know how much they're making, but if you just take into consideration, they have 54,000 followers. I mean, you just put 2 and 2 together, they're making some money. I don't know how much money they're making, and they only have 21 videos without showing their face. Now, obviously, results are going to vary. You can post one video, it might get 2 views, it might get a million views. I mean, it's kind of random with TikTok. It's the way the algorithm for TikTok works. It's a little bit weird because you see people who post like videos of them doing nothing and they get thousands or hundreds of thousands of views. And then you see people who are putting real effort with creativity, editing their videos for TikTok, and they don't really get too many views. So it's kind of weird on how the algorithm works. So let me show you a different TikTok account. Manifestation 365, I believe. Okay, so it's this account right here. So as you can see, this is another account where they're not showing their face. They have just a profile picture that says Manifestation 365, and they have 302,000 followers. That's a lot of followers. Now, they have a lot more videos that they posted on their account, But none of these accounts or none of these videos is somebody like showing their face. They have a few videos actually. So let's just take a look at some of these videos right here. It's just these are just stock video footages. This has to do with manifestation, numerology. Yeah, none of these videos is where it's a person showing their face. They're just using stock footage or yeah, stock footage. So if we come up to the top of their bio right here, rewire your brain to manifest the life of your dreams. So if I click on that, they have their own domain, so that's pretty good. So manifestation, they have 2 links. So this is like a link tree, I believe. Yeah, it's a link tree. So how to easily manifest anything you wish upon using quantum physics. My dyslexia is acting up. Okay, so this is a sales video. You click on it, you're gonna watch a sales video. I don't know how long it is, but usually these Clickbank offers have really long sales videos. Only $37 today, one-time payment. Get early access now. So if I click on this, if I want to skip the video, just pay $37 one time, unlimited full-time access, blah blah blah. So what's the name of this product right here? It says Ultra Manifesting. Okay, Ultra Manifesting. So if I come back to Clickbank and if I type in Ultra Manifestation, okay, this looks like the same one. So average dollar per conversion, $40. So okay, let's make sure that this is the same one. Okay, so this is the same Clickbank offer, the same thing. So basically this is like if you want to read it instead of watching the video. So if I come back to the Clickbank offer, it says $40.51 that they're gonna earn. If I were to purchase this product through their TikTok account, they're gonna earn $40 for every time somebody does. The gravity is 57, which is pretty decent. When it comes to gravity, anything above 20 is pretty decent. The higher the number, obviously, the more that it's selling. So just think about that. They're not showing their face at all. And they have another link. So let's see what this one is. Soul Manifestation. So this is one where you enter in your name, your date of birth, and it's going to show you your soul reading. So I'm not really going to go into that, but I'm pretty sure if I find it, I can find it on Clickbank. Soul Manifestation. Soul Manifestation. Okay. You click on that. It's the same sales page. Enter in your name, your birthday, and it's going to show you your soul reading. I mean, if you're into that, like zodiac signs, astrology, I mean, maybe you want to check that out, but that's basically another Clickbank offer. And they pay you $21.21. I mean, 27 cents every time somebody buys through your link. And the gravity is 170. That's really good. Because I guess a lot of people, they want to know about their horoscope, zodiac sign, or they're interested in astrology or whatever the case may be. But that's just a few different examples of how you can make money using TikTok and Clickbank. Now, I know a lot of people, they think TikTok is just for younger kids doing dances, but you'd be surprised at how many people who are older have a lot of followers on TikTok. Let me see if I can find a couple of examples. So there's this one guy that I follow. His name is Don Halloran. This guy is 81 years old. He has 180,000 followers. He's a pretty cool guy. You guys should follow him if you're on TikTok. If you like following older people, or maybe you can relate. But he has 180,000 followers, and he posts simple videos. He doesn't dance or do anything like that. So I recommend you guys check him out. Or if you guys are, this is a great way to make money without showing your face if you're camera shy, using TikTok and Clickbank. Well, that's basically all I wanted to cover in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys want to follow me on TikTok, you can follow me right here, Benjamin Zuniga 1. That's me right here. So if you guys want to follow me and let me know, message me. I'll reply back. I get a few messages every now and again, but I'll reply back if you guys want to follow me, and I might follow you back. But that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.